Hey everyone, this is Brandon from Gaucho Plugins, the development team behind Domain Mapping System. In the last videos, we covered buying a domain, configuring DNS records, installing a WordPress website, and setting up add-on domains, subdomains, and aliases. In this video, I'll cover domain mapping, which will allow me to map my new domain to a specific page on my WordPress website. After installing the plugin Domain Mapping System, you'll arrive at this settings page. At the top of the screen, be sure to check the boxes for the post types you want to have the option of mapping domains to. Once you've checked the proper boxes, click Save at the bottom. Then, add your new domain alias in the field. In the drop-down box, select the post, page, product, or other custom post type you would like to have appear for this domain. As of the publishing of this video, only one post type can be assigned to a domain. This has many use cases, a few of which I'll explain. You might have a different page on your website for each country or language, and you may want to assign an alias domain specifically for each country. You might want to more easily manage content on a single site for multiple domains. Or you might want to have a landing page for a specific product with a unique domain name for better targeting. The possibilities are endless, and we'd appreciate your input or feedback on our roadmap, which can be found in the description. If you have any questions about using the plugin or configuring the settings, please contact us at support@gauchoplugins.com.